Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. So I'm doing a what's in my bag today. This is my Chanel mini rectangular in caviar leather and silver hardware. This video has been pretty heavily requested. I think that's because I feature it a lot in my outfits and my vlogs, and I've been wearing it a lot. I've been loving this bag. Because this bag is so little and really not that much fits in here, I also wanted to use this video to show you guys the different ways that I style it as well. So if you guys don't know, the chain on a mini Chanel bag is known to be extremely long. So that's kind of a con for shorter girls like me. So I also do want to share with you several ways that I wear this bag. It will come after what I show you what's in here. Also, I want to say if this video is kind of choppy in certain places, that's because there is drilling going on right now and I'm trying to film this. I literally sat here for like 5 minutes before just playing on my phone on TikTok because there's been drilling. So yeah, I think that's everything I wanted to say, so I'm just gonna go inside. So on days that I'm vlogging, my camera fits in this bag, but it takes up the majority of the bag. But I packed it with stuff that I would bring with me on days that I'm not vlogging, or if I just want to like hold my camera handheld. The mini bag life is not easy. I will tell you guys that firsthand. You do have to be minimal and like reduce all of the stuff that you want to bring. So yes, but I do want to say I call myself a mini bag connoisseur. So yeah, let's open it. I think I've rambled enough. So I enjoy when people show me inside when they're taking it out, so that's why I'm doing it. So this is what it looks like when you open it. So in a sense, hopefully nothing falls out. So this is what it looks like. I don't like to jam pack my bags. This is probably the fullest that I like it. Wow, I'm really just adding on points to just talk and make this video longer because I feel bad it's gonna be pretty short, but okay, I digress. So yeah, I mainly don't like to overpack it because the bag is only being supported on this chain, and this chain is metal and it's heavy. So when the bag gets heavy, it's really tugging on you. So that's why I don't really like to overpack it. It kind of feels like I'm carrying a rock on a chain, literally, when it is overfilled. So that's why I don't try to overfill it at all. It's probably not good for the bag either. So yeah, so again, this is typically for a day that I don't plan on vlogging, so I can bring a few more things and stuff like that. Because of everything going on right now, I have hand sanitizer in here. I'm sure you guys know what hand sanitizer looks like. I have also been trying to get into wearing more makeup, mainly eyeshadow and lipstick. So I did pick up this lipstick from Glossier. It is the Generation G in the color Cake. Yep. Okay, and then I have several items in here that are longer. So this is my phone. Yeah, I have an iPhone 11 with the Apple silicone case. For those of you who are wondering, it fits inside. Most of the time I'm holding it, but I put it inside to show you guys that it fits. Then I have my Louis Vuitton Rosalie coin purse. So this is my wallet. I put coins in here. In here, my ID, MTA card, debit card, credit card, some cash. So yeah, everything fits in this. This is my wallet like full time, so yeah. Then I also love carrying coupons, and for some reason I have accumulated a bunch of gift cards and vouchers. I've just become those women because like, I don't know, I just like have so many things at so many stores. So because of that, I carry everything else in this pouch. This is my miscellaneous pouch. Oh, my bag's falling. It has corgis, super cute. I got this as a souvenir from Taiwan in those night markets. I was actually looking for something like this. I love that Taiwan has like so much merch like for dogs and like cute dogs. Like there's so many stores that sell stuff like that, so I loved it so much. So yeah, I have a bunch. I have like boba stamp cards. That's probably why. I have coffee stamp cards. Let me show you. Yeah, I have coffee stamp cards. I have a lot of receipts too. I'm really afraid of not having receipts if I want to return something. And also because of like stuff that has happened, because of instances in the past, I do carry a spare pair of contact lenses in here. There is a flap in here, so I just put it behind the flap, so hopefully I don't like get it that dirty. But like there's been several times where like if I have allergies and I rub my eye too much, my contact will just like pop out. And yeah, so I just go to the bathroom and then pop in one of these. Actually I haven't had to use them yet, but it's really satisfying for me to like be able to use it. I'm not gonna like force myself to lose a contact, so I can, you know, use my master backup contact. Why am I like this? Okay, yeah, so that's everything inside. She is empty. Ooh. Okay, I'm sorry if you guys hear the drilling, but I just really want to film this for you guys, so I hope that's okay. I did share with you guys that I used to use a clip, but I found that the clip was getting caught in the ring and I was afraid that it would damage the leather. Also because like if I'm wearing it out and I don't notice it, it might really cause some damage. So I don't really use it anymore. I found that you can actually shorten the bag by just using the way it is designed. So if you take out one of the chains from here and you pull it out all the way, right, then take the top part and then pull it across, right, and then take this part and pull it out, so you essentially have it like this. Then just close the bag. When you do it, it also comes with like the top chain also comes out here, so I think it's really cute. Plus like they're coming out with designs or chains on the top, so I feel like it's really cute and it like kind of updates the bag a little bit. I really like it that it sits on top, and like I feel like some of you guys thought I got a new bag or something. So yeah, that's how I shorten it now. I'm just gonna step back and show you guys what it looks like on, and also show you guys in comparison to the original length. So yeah, I really like this length. It's way more appropriate for my style and how I want to wear it. Also, shoulder bags have really been in, the ones that go right under your arm. I did order some, so I'm hoping to get them in. But I also thought, hey, maybe I can try that with my Chanel bag, so I did. So it's really easy from the, sorry, I'm just like standing like this. So yeah, it's really easy to do it from this setup. So you just pull this one up. So let me just open it up so I can loosen it so you guys can see. So just pull it up halfway, so it's like halfway, and then I just bring them together. And yeah, and then you close the bag. Yeah, I'm just gonna step back and show you guys. So yeah, that's essentially the 3 different ways that you can wear it, like plus crossbody. The last thing I want to talk about is it does undo itself when you do open the bag. So just be mindful of that you have to redo it when you close it. So yeah, that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a like if you did. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. It's not for me to say you